Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to use my mockups. Mockups by Rancho. Okay, so first of all, when you open the file, you need to reconnect displacement maps. You go to Displace, under Logo plus Pattern here layer. Double click it. Press OK and then navigate to the displacement map corresponding to the number of your PSD design. In my case, this is a bag mock-up bag number 4 and a displacement map bag 4. Highlight this file and click OK. The file gets updated and you are done. If you want to change the color of your bag, just simply switch this layer on. Double click it and change to any color that you like. If you want to change the color of the handles, you can turn this layer on, enter this layer, and then you will find different colors. You can pick any color you like. Okay, the main layer is this one, logo plus pattern here. Double click it. Here you will see the help layer. This is just a guide for you where the bag is, so that you can put your logo wherever you like. Don't forget to turn it off. Then this is the help design logo that you also can turn off. You can put your pattern here and logo here. Let's put a pattern and see how it works. Okay. For example, this pattern, we put it somewhere here. We can make it bigger or we can make it fit our help layer. In this case, I will just stretch it. After we are done putting our logos or patterns, we need to go to File and press Save. The file gets updated. And you will see your pattern on the back. Double click it again. You can turn it off. Let's turn this help layer on and put another logo. For example, this one with this beautiful bird. Double click it, OK. You see where it will be positioned. Turn this layer off and go to File, Save. Smart objects get updated and you will see your logo on your bag. That's it, guys. Everything is very easy, and enjoy putting your designs and patterns. Wish you a great day. Thank you very much.